Hello again everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you a nice tutorial on how to make a noisemaker out of a basic straw. Now maybe you go to a game and you forgot your noisemaker, you want to make some sounds, you're going to start screaming and your voice went out. So this is a basic video. What you need is a basic straw and a scissors. So you're going to start off by putting whatever side you want or end in your mouth and just start biting on it so it flattens out. So like this. It should be a minimum of this way. Okay? Then you're just gonna give it a cut that goes almost to the middle. Okay? And goes like this, as you can see. And then you're just gonna flatten it out again. And that's it. You just blow from this place over here. Well, this is the tall one. You can cut it out. So I'm gonna cut it many times so you can see the sounds. Once more. See, the sounds differ. And now it sometimes stops, so you can just bite it again. Okay. Oh gosh, I cut it out by mistake. It's not pointy, so I'm just gonna cut it and do this again. Just make it pointy. Okay, like that. And just flatten it out using your mouth. You can use something else, but this is the best way. And then blow. Why? Oh, it stopped working. I have no idea why. Now, I'm gonna try and doing it again, just like that, and like that. Okay. Now, I did it with another. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to make an instrument out of the same basic thing. So, I got another straw, and so you start off by just cutting the same, just cutting the way, flattening it out. Now the more you flatten it out, the more it goes better. The more the pointy, the more better. Okay? So, like that. And flatten it. Okay. So, after that, you're going to see that it's so tall. So, you're just going to start and just pushing on this way. Just to flatten it out a little. And then just cut a small triangle. I'm sorry, maybe you can't see it using the camera. Okay, and just gonna remove it. Okay, so when you open it, you're gonna have this diamond shape. So do that as much as you want. Well, I'm gonna do it just about twice or 3 times. It doesn't differ, but try your best not to cut the other side and to make it smaller. Now I have one which I cut so much. See, it's not that good. I don't know if this will work. I'm gonna flatten it out again. Oh gosh, something got stuck. You see, the problem is I cut it so much, so I'm just gonna cut this out and oh gosh, come on. Epic fail, gosh. What's happening? Oh gosh. Come on, we're doing a video, it has to work. So just go like that. Oh, something got stuck, that's why maybe. Just gonna try and just do like that. I'm gonna cut it out and okay, it worked. I don't know what happened, but I think something got stuck, and maybe because you see this pointy edge, maybe you have to make the points that are on the same way. So I'm just gonna make a new one because that one I cut it out. Okay. Made only one hole just to show you that they sound different first. So here's the hole, you just put there and you start removing it. See, when you put your hand over the hole, then the sound changes. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you next time.